Good morning, children. Do you like to go to tour? Yes. In the previous years, we have often gone for tour in different parts of Kerala. Like that, if you go to North India for tour, you can see the remaining of many old buildings. The remainings of old buildings says that there were many cities existed in different parts of India in the early times. So in this chapter, we will study the story of the earliest cities in India. Some of such cities are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal and Kalibangan. Now let us study the story of these cities. These early cities were divided into two parts. The east part was citadel and the west part was the lower towns. The kings and rulers lived in the citadels and the people were lived in the lower towns. Most of the people were farmers and there were craft people including men and women. So now we can understand the craft in India. So you can see the page number 36. The archaeologists are searching different parts of India and they found different new crafts made up of stone, shell and metal, including copper, bronze, gold and silver. Copper and bronze were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels. We also understand that cotton was also used by the people of the earliest cities. The archaeologists discovered the remainings of cottons used by the people of 4,700 years ago. From this we understand that the earliest people used cotton to make clothes. The people also built their houses. Most of the houses were made up of bricks and it had certain measurements and engineering skills. Especially the Great Bath found in Mohenjo-daro had drainage systems, good steps and certain measurements. We can also understand that people in the early cities searched raw materials. What are raw materials? Raw materials are the things used to make finished products. Example, cloth was made up of cotton. Here the cotton is the raw material. And sugar was made up of sugar cane. And here the sugar cane is the raw materials. The early cities walked different parts of India and collected raw materials to make their products. So now we understand how these early cities perished. These early cities destroyed due to the attacks of Aryans. And some historians say that the early cities were destroyed due to some natural calamities like flood, drought and so on. So children, we are going to understand about the early cities. Most of the early cities existed in the North India. Some of the early cities are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal and Kalibangan. Here people led a modern life. Most of the houses were made up of bricks and it had a great architectural skills and mathematical measurements. So this is the end of this class. You should learn the question answers in the previous chapters and study well. Don't waste your times. Okay, thank you.